Well, what a pleasure. I'm here with David Hudson, Managing Director of Whitehill Spindle Tools. David, thank you for having me
Not at all. Nice to see you again.
That was great. Last time I was here, I had a spindle moulder from Felder in the back of a Luton van, and you kindly invited me down to give me some advice about the tooling for my windows. Really well appreciated.
Good. Yeah, and I'm glad to hear you've now managed to make some windows.
Yeah, I've got 20 casements, all the components milled and turned, so it's great. In fact, I've got some custom cutters in production with you right now for the frames. So,
good. Very glad to hear that.
Tremendous.
Yeah.
And I'm always impressed when I see where things come from. And what's this behind us? A multi-axis CNC,
yeah,
I take it?
This is a machine tool we use which works 24 hours a day for making the components for the cutter heads and the cutter heads themselves. So you can see there's a robot there with trays, and every night that works all night to make cutter heads.
Fantastic. And I left with quite a few cutter heads. I think turn blade groovers, rebate head, I think I had a combi head. That was the thing that attracted me at first.
Yep.
Euro groove head,
yeah,
groove saw, smorgasbord. Yeah.
It may seem to you initially that it was quite expensive to buy the right tool for the job, but in the end it is worth the money. I think you found that out.
Absolutely.
Especially.
It's not for the faint-hearted, but my impression was that for less than it was going to cost me for one bay window with 5 casements, I could buy a spindle moulder and your tooling and the timber. So
yeah, and obviously with a learning curve, you've learned that it's...
Yeah, well, I've got time on my hands in the evenings and weekends, so that's great.
Good.
Well, fantastic. Maybe, would you mind showing us a little bit about the where you make the custom cutters?
Yeah, if you want to have a look at that, we can show you the cutters being made.
Fantastic. So I mentioned I've got some custom cutters being manufactured by Whitehill. They're a lamb's tongue with a custom quirk, and this is where the magic happens. So David, can you tell us a little bit about
Yeah, well, you can see some of the cutters here that were made last night. They're all made on these robot machines. We load up the pallets every night and then we do all the different patterns. So
that's high-speed steel.
This is all high-speed steel, and we make some also in carbide as well for the different blocks.
Fantastic. And those carbide cutters, they would be going into dedicated blocks,
Dedicated blocks for a Pacific profile, whereas all these ones are going into limiter blocks on the 2 pins.
Right, and so that's what attracted me initially, was I could buy a few heads, and then once I had the heads, I could change the cutters. Yeah, but of course, if you're in a production turning out large volumes of very specific molds,
then you
dedicated and carbide.
Dedicated block.
Very good. Like that. Well, it's been really interesting. Thank you so much for having me down again.
Well, thank you very much for coming in. You're always welcome.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.